Hello guys, today I will explain you how can you get Hall of Legends points in FIFA Mobile. So as you can see there are like 6 ways and I will explain you in a few seconds. So number 1, playing Hall of Legend events. If you participate in special events specifically related to the Hall of Legends, you can earn some Hall of Legend points. Number 2. Completing Hall of Legends plans. You need to look for any plans or sets related to the Hall of Legends. These plans may require specific player cards or items to complete, and upon successful completion you may receive Hall of Legends points. Number 3. Season rewards. Depending on your performance and progress in the current season, you may receive Hall of Legends points as part of the season rewards. Number 4. Achievements and objectives. Check if there are any achievements or objectives related to the Hall of Legends. Completing these achievements can grant you Hall of Legends points. Number 5. Special offers and packs. Occasionally, FIFA Mobile may offer special packs or bundles that include Hall of Legends points as part of the package. Number 6. League rewards. If you are part of a league, certain league achievements or contributions may offer Hall of Legend points as reward. Remember that the Hall of Legend feature or any other new updates might have different mechanics and ways to earn points. To find out the most of up-to-date and accurate information on how to get Hall of Legend points in FIFA Mobile, check the in-game announcements, community forums, or the official FIFA Mobile website for details. So that is guys. Hope that this video will help you and see you next time.